Hello students, I am Chelma Reddy. Welcome to CR Maths class. In this lecture, I am going to discuss that independent events. Two events A and B of an experiment are said to be independent if the occurrence of A cannot influence the happening of the event B. That means both are independent events. If one occurrence of A cannot influence the happening of the other event. Okay. For suppose one student he written exam. So those student is he will pass or fail. Okay. Both are independent events. Okay. Now see here. A and B are independent events. P of B by A that is equal to P of B. P of A by B is equal to P of A. Before going to that, observe the main formula. Two events, A and B are independent events. If and only if P of A intersection B is equal to P of A into P of B. Now see here, P of B by A. By using conditional probability, how to write the formula? P of B intersection A divided by P of A. Here A and B are independent events. Numerator how to write? P of B into P of A divided by P of A. So here observe that P of A is cancelled. We get answer P of B. A and B are independent events, then P of B by A is equal to P of B. Here remember it, whatever is their numerator part, that part is answer. Okay. This is second one, P of A by B, that is equal to P of A. Now, third one, this is A, B, C are independent events. Then P of A intersection B intersection C is equal to P of A into P of B into P of C. A, B, C, D are independent events. Then we can write P of A into P of B into P of C into P of D. Okay. Now, A and B are independent events. P of A intersection B is equal to P of A into P of B. Then P of A union B. Actually, P of A union B formula P of A plus P of B minus P of A intersection B. In place of P of A intersection B, what we can write? P of A into P of B. Okay. And one more thing here, P of A union B. P of A union B, that is equal to 1 minus P of A complement into P of B complement. This is the formula. P of A union B union C, that is equal to 1 minus P of A complement, P of B complement, P of C complement. Now, A, B, C are three independent events, then P of A union B union C is equal to 1 minus P of A complement into P of B complement into P of C complement. Next, this is important point. If two events A and B are independent, A and B complement independent, A complement and B independent, A complement and B complement independent. This is the important condition. A and B are independent means then A and B complement, A complement and B, A complement and B complement. Both are independent events only. For suppose you want proof, I will explain only one. See here, A and B complement are independent. I am going to prove that. Uh, P of A intersection B complement. Okay. A intersection B complement. How to write, students? A intersection B complement means formula P of A minus P of A intersection B only. Yes or no? Already given A and B are independent events. Right here, P of A minus P of A intersection B means we can write P of A into P of B or not. Now observe these two. P of A is common. Remaining what is there? Remaining what is there? 1 minus P of B. 1 minus P of B. 1 minus P of B means what? That is P of B complement. Finally, P of A intersection B complement is equal to P of A into P of B complement. So we will say that A complement and B complement are independent when A and B are independent means. Okay. Next, last one. Three events A comma B comma C are said to be mutually independent if P of A intersection B is equal to P of A into P of B, P of A intersection C is equal to P of A into P of C, P of B intersection C is equal to P of B into P of C, P of A intersection B intersection C that is equal to P of A into P of B into P of C. When these conditions apply, if A, B, C are said to be mutually independent events. Okay, this is a very, very important concept. Question number 77, observe here. A and B are two events as said. P of A union B given, intersection given, P of A given, then A and B are independent events, dependent events, mutually exclusive and independent events. They are given like this. Okay. First, we need to find here P of B. How to find P of B? First, P of A union B formula. What is the, students? P of A plus P of B minus P of A intersection B. So we need P of B. We need P of B. Now P of A union B plus P of A intersection B minus P of A. What is P of A union B? 5 by 6. Intersection B 1 by 3 minus P of A 2 by 3. Take the LCM, that is 6. We get numerator 5 plus 2 minus 4. 5 plus 2, 7. 7 minus 4. 7 minus 4, 3. 3 by 6. That is 1 by 2. That is 1 by 2. Now we need to identify A and B are independent or not. P of A intersection B. If they are independent, what is the formula? P of A into P of B. P of A into P of B. Verify that. P of A value is 2 by 3 and P of B value is 1 by 2. 2 to cancel. What we are getting? P of A intersection B 1 by 3. Here also already given P of A intersection B is 1 by 3. Okay. Right. So finally, what we will say? A and B are independent events. A comma B are independent. Independent events. Which option correct, students? Second option correct. A and B are two independent events such that P of B is equal to 2 by 7. P of A union B complement is equal to 0.8. Then P of A. So here first condition is A and B are independent. That means P of A intersection B, that is equal to P of A into P of B. A, B are independent events means we will say that A and B complement also independent. So P of A intersection B complement. How to write? P of A into P of B complement. Just now only we have discussed the concept. A and B are independent event means A and B complement, A complement and B, A complement, B complement are independent only. Now students tell me P of A union B complement formula. P of A plus P of B complement minus P of A intersection B complement. P of A plus P of B complement minus. Here we can write A and B complement both are independent now. P of A into P of B complement. Here observe that take any two no problem. So this is I am writing P of A only plus in these two take P of B complement common. Remaining what is there? 1 minus P of A. 1 minus P of A means what? P of A complement. This is P of B complement into P of A complement. Okay. P of A union B whole complement. Now observe the values, what they are given. P of B given, that is 2 by 7. 2 by 7. Then what is P of B complement? 1 minus 2 by 7, that is 5 by 7. Those values substitute in that formula. Left hand side is 0.8, that is equal to P of A, we don't know, we have to find, plus P of B complement 5 by 7 into P of A complement, we don't know. Then how to do that? How to do that? We can write same like that, or go to alternative method. Here onwards, alternative method. What is that? First and last, observe that. First and last, observe that. P of A is common. Remaining what is there? 1 minus P of B complement plus P of B complement. Here we get P of A into P of B, P of B plus P of B comp. I think this method is easy. Substitute here 0.8 plus P of A into P of B 2 by 7, P of B complement 5 by 7. 0.8 means how much? 8 by 10, 4 by 5. This is 4 by 5 minus 5 by 7, that is equal to 2 by 7 into P of A. Students take LCM. 5 into 7 is LCM. 28 minus 25, that is equal to 2 by 7 into P of A. 7 cancel. 28 minus 25, 3. 3 by 5. So right hand side 2 is there, send to left hand side. 3 by 10. 3 by 10, that is equal to P of A. Finally, what is P of A value? 3 by 10 means 0.3. By observing the options, then calculate. Third option correct. Students, all of you understood now? Observe. First here, draw the Venn diagram. So this is one event. This is another event. This is A, this is B. Now, this part, we will say that A minus B. This part, B minus A. Okay, so this part is A minus B. This part is B minus A. Both are independent. There is no intersection part. A minus B means we can write another way also. A minus A intersection B. B minus A means B minus A intersection B. Okay. Now observe the question, what they are given. Probability of A minus B union B minus A. That is equal to, here intersection part is null set. That's why we can write directly P of A minus B plus P of B minus A. Already we know that A minus B means another way, A minus A intersection B. B minus A means B minus A intersection B. This is, we can write P of A minus P of A intersection B plus P of B minus P of A intersection B. Students, all of you understood now? Here P of A plus P of B minus 2 times P of A intersection B. But see the question, read the question. A and B are two independent events given. So P of A intersection B means what we can write? P of A into P of B, because A and B are independent events. Now substitute the values P of A and P of B. 1 by 4 plus 1 by 3 minus 2 into 1 by 4, 1 by 3. Now, students, what is the LCM? 12. Here we get 3. Here we get 4. Here minus 2. 3 plus 4, 7. 7 minus 2, 5. 5 by 12 is the answer. Which option correct? First option correct.